Hi guys, Andy here. I'm bringing an update to you for Windows 7, just in case you've installed 7, updated, upgraded, whatever to Windows 7. This is a really important update. Actually, what it's called is a service pack. What a service pack is, it's a combination of updates that have been going on for quite some time now, where they've actually found fixes and issues and security risks, and it just goes on. But anyways, the service pack is all of those combined into one, and then they start over again and start adding more patches and etc, etc. Anyways, you can get this through Windows 7 update, or you can actually download it like I'm going to do here right now. I'm just going to go to my download link. What I did was I actually went to Google and looked it up. So I'm just going to kind of walk back through this so you can kind of see what I was looking for. So I did Windows 7 Service Pack 1 download. Download details Windows 7, and that's the Microsoft download site. So I go there, and you're going to see Windows 7 and Windows Server 2008 R2 Service Pack 1. Now you're going to see there's validation required, so you continue. And it's going to ask you to do a few things. You got to install a few things. It's going to pull up a toolbar and stuff and bring you to this page. And what you're going to see here are several downloads. And this is where it gets confusing, because people are like, well, how do I figure out which one to download? Okay, so what you're going to do is go to your Start button, which is the button in the lower left hand corner, your Windows button, and then you're going to look for Computer. When you get to Computer, you're going to right click and go to Properties. When you get Properties, you're going to see right here, this is your information on your system. Right here you see Windows 7 Enterprise, Copyright, and you're going to notice there's no service pack on this. So I don't have a service pack. But now down here, if you look under System Type, it says 32-bit operating system. The 32 bits what's important. So you know, either you have a 32 or 64 bits. So what we're going to do here is we need the 32-bit edition, and so we're going to download the 32-bit edition. Now you're going to see here Windows 6.1, and it shows you the actual, it's the package is what it is, x64.exe. That's for 64-bit systems. And then you're going to see the Windows 6.1 with the service pack, and then you're going to see x86. That's for the System 32 systems. So so what we're going to do is we're going to go and download this, and you can see it's 537 megabytes. I've got extreme high-speed internet, so it doesn't take long for me. So I'm going to go and just save it to my desktop. You're going to see it's only going to take a few minutes, about 5 maybe. So anyways, we're going to let this download, and I'll be back with you here in just a few. Okay guys, so here our download's almost done, and it only took 5 minutes to do 537 megabytes. That's not too bad, not too shabby. So there it goes, it's putting it on the desktop for us. And I'm going to bring it into view so you can see it. Okay, so now we got our download done. Okay, so there's our download. What we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and pull it into view so you can see it. I want you to remember this page right here, because it shows 32-bit operating system, shows you how much RAM you have, shows you what processor you have. It also shows you your computer name, and you can also change your product key or even activate your Windows when it shows it, when it's not activated. So we're going to pull down Service Pack 1. And this, all we're going to do is just start the install, just so you can kind of see how to step through it. And once it finishes, it'll ask you to restart the computer. So we're just waiting for the package to unpack. Okay, so there it is. Install Windows 7 Service Pack 1. And then you can click on this right here. What you should know before installing Service Pack 1. That's probably pretty important. If you don't understand what a service pack is, be sure and read that. If you kind of understand what a service pack is, it's updating several components on your computer, it's patching things, it's fixing Internet Explorer, it's fixing Windows, it's fixing all kinds of things. So what you're doing here is, we'll go ahead and click Next. And what it's going to do is it's got to prepare the computer, because it's going to create an update of the computer, or actually what you call a registry backup. It backs up the registry so it remembers how to go back and change change the computer back to where it was when you started this, in case you have issues. Now, I've never seen any issues with service packs. Sometimes I have, sometimes I haven't. Windows 95, I think it had a service pack. Windows 98 had several service packs, had a complete update. And then Windows ME came out, they had a service pack. Windows 2000 has 4 service packs. Windows XP has 2 service packs, actually 3. They're on number 3. So here it says automatically restart the computer, and that's so when it's done. So we'll go ahead and install and just let it run, and I'll go ahead and check it. You can see right here, installation might be take an hour or more. Your computer might need to restart several times during installation. So just be patient with the computer, let it do its thing, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks.